You ever just do something so wrong and so ridiculous that you are hurting on the inside and you just want to tell God that you're sorry? That happened to me. Yesterday, I was going into my kitchen and I was reminded of something that I had done the day before. Most of you know that I was struggling going to Target to spend a certain amount of money. I didn't want to go overboard because Target is a place that it sucks you in. It just does. And so I was trying to do things on a cheaper level. And I went into the store and I saw a box of cereal that I love so much, Strawberry Frosted Mini Wheats. If you know me, you know this cereal is really, really awesome to me. It gives me great joy. Anyway, I decided to do the unthinkable. I reached down and I got the store brand version of my Strawberry Frosted Mini Wheats. And I went home. I figured, it shouldn't be too bad, right? No. I went home, opened up that cereal, and when I tell you, it was the most disgusting thing I have ever had in my life. My spirit is grieved. And my stomach is too, by the way. I was like, It was just the NSF in the spirit realm. It just was bouncing. It was bouncing. It just wasn't right. And so I just want to come and encourage you today and say, some things you just can't do cheap. Even if it's on sale, it's going to cost you. It may be cheap, but it'll cost you. Life is too short to be eating knockoff cereal, okay? So I have decided to atone for my sins, and I am here at Walmart, and I'm going to tackle 150,000 ignorant, ghetto, fabulous Walmart shoppers, all so that I can get my name brand cereal at a price that I can afford. Amen, amen. Touch your neighbor and say, life is too short for knockoffs, okay? I'm sure this will touch a lot of people in a whole bunch of different ways, but just some stuff you just can't go cheap on. My spirit was grieved. Oh, but no longer, because I have repented for my sins. The Lord has forgiven me, and I'm about to go in here and get my cereal. I shall possess the land. Ha! Sha-na-na-na-na. Glory. Y'all have a good day. And when you go in the store today, don't you reach for them Tostios. You get them Honey Nut Cheerios like you're supposed to, because that's what your spirit is requiring. Real recognizes real. Get that real stuff, y'all.